YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Paulo Savage 392, and I'm back with another banger, man. A stretch game back in the building. Got a stretch game video for y'all. Y'all already know what stretch game is. Anybody that gets shysted with the cops and get busy and get ghosts. I love stretch game. Stretch game member. Y'all already know that. I ain't saying I did something, but I might have did something, but I ain't saying I did something. You did? So, with that being said, man, if you are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, man. I'm trying to get up to 5K subscribers. That's my goal right now. 5K subscribers. So if you're rocking with Savage Game, if you're rocking with your boy Pablo, go ahead and do that for your boy. I ain't gonna hold y'all with no long intro. Let's get right into it. First up, let's see. So we got the patrol view, cops view, you know. What we got? C8. That triple nickel. You know I only use Mopar color, so it's triple nickel C8. Then stop that boy. Listen, if in your mind if you see the cops coming, bro, I say it all the time. If you see them coming, you already set in your head before you start driving. If the cops get behind me, I'm gonna hit it. You know what I'm saying? You don't even play with them. You just out of there, right? So why y'all pull over? I don't understand why people pull over. If you know you finna run, why pull over? I mean, you gotta already be set. Like, you finna go. Oh, you snatched off. Hold on, bro. Did his homeboy say let me out? Go back. Bro said let me out. That's real. That's real. He let him out though. C8 is a silent killer. I ran one in Big Daytona, snatched off on him, but I seen and heard that bit coming. He eventually passed me though. Oh, they had done spent the block because he just went back through that same area. That's why I would never get a cop car, bro. They be dogging them bitches. Like buy an old police cruiser. Nah. C8 gone. He done lost him. He done got busy and got shysty. Hey, we gonna start that boy early. He got ghost on them boys. Turn the siren off, officer. Turn the siren off. That boy bonked out. There's no visual on the car. He in the neighborhood, so he could be anywhere. In his one patrol unit, shiesty business. Stamp him. Certified stretch game. He gone. Officer had to give it up. He's still looking. He should get out of the way. He did. And like, buddy, when you're in the neighborhood, if you know the neighborhood is, they done. Toast. He must have seen something. Man, that C8 out of there, bro. Stretch game. Stretch game. He's certified. Stretch game. Like, if I wish we could see the officer face, like, he looking like, where did this dude go? Okay, what's happening? Oh, some backup came through. Whoo! Wait a minute, did you see that man come through there? Did you see the C8 come through there? Hold on, wait a minute. Smack. Ooh! They done for. They stretched now. Look, now we got a clear visual. He is out of there. Call it in. Call in the plates. Call it in. Chase over with. He out of there. He found him a straight road and got busy. Oh yeah, he gone. I thought he was gone before, but I know for a fact he gone now. I see another troll up there. Oh, it started raining. This one getting shiesty could get real shiesty. Ooh, y'all know I don't play in that rain. That rain dead with me. He gone. Is that a van? Yeah. Once he hit that straightaway, he was out of there. It wasn't nothing else they could do. I'm surprised. I'm shocked they found him again. He was lost for a minute. Yeah. We gonna certify him. He's certified. Stretch game certified. We gotta get that boy that there. Gotta get that boy that there. He got real busy on him and got ghosts. I like that. Hey man, you know what I'm saying? Hey, when you stretch game certified, you don't stress about nothing. You gotta be a calm driver to be certified in that shit, because you can't just be somebody that your nerves get bad so you start making mistakes. You know what I'm saying? That's when it get real dangerous for the people around that you chose to run. You know what I'm saying? You kinda, it's all that gotta be accounted for when you decide to stretch their ass out. But if you're a driver, bruh. And ain't nothing they can do about that. No cap. Listen, when you get shiesty, you get shiesty. That's just what it is, man. It's like with anything, bro. Anything you do, bro, you know, be confident in it. You know what I'm saying? Don't be scared. I'm not advising run from the police, bro. Don't take that as what Pablo is saying. What Pablo is saying is, if you are a shiesty person and in your car is some shiesty stuff, then you are automatically forced into stretch game pretty much. You just gotta do your part. So kids, if you're watching this video, do not run from the cops if you ain't got the horsepower. Hey man, if you made it this far into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get all these drops when these drops come. It's your boy Pablo. That was Stretch Gang. You know how we get real shiesty in these streets. You know what I'm saying? Hey, check out that next video right there. It's right there. Look at it. It might be a movie. Who knows? But until the next time, stay sideways to the next light. I'm going to catch y'all in the next one.